Hello everyone, so my name is Agustia Hanita Eki Pramudia and you can call me Eki, and I want to tell you something that interesting in agribusiness Universitas Jember.
This program is designed to produce graduates who are capable of managing and developing agribusiness system from production to marketing, both in rural and urban setting. The curriculum combines agricultural knowledge with business management, economic, and entrepreneurship.
Come and grow with us at the Faculty of Agriculture, University of Jember, where innovation meets tradition and passion turns into impact.
And bye guys, we're waiting for you to join with us.
Okay, so do you want to be part of something that really matters, like helping people get the food they need, supporting farmers, and starting your own green business? The agribusiness department is the